And those flames hitting close to home in South Texas. Kendall Gustafson Filip is the associate head coach for Texas State's track and field program.
Yeah, she grew up in Pacific Palisades, even went to high school there. I want to bring in Sarah Duran now. Sarah, what did she have to say about all of this?
Well, Barry, as you can imagine, it's absolutely heartbreaking for her to watch. Her eyes have been glued to the TV as the community she grew up in is now completely destroyed. Even her high school, Palisades Charter, has now burned down to the ground.
I mean, I was there my whole life. I went to Palisades High School and just have so many fond memories of growing up in the area. It was a fantastic place to grow up, absolutely gorgeous. And I feel so, I don't know, homesick, I'll say, watching this, because those are my places and those are my people. And to see them going through so much is just really, really difficult.
Gustafson Filip told KENS 5 she is continuing to check in on her friends and family as the days go by. And Barry, she says they are safe, but most have lost their homes and most precious belongings like those pictures. Now, while she says fires were common growing up in Southern California, she's never seen it hit the suburban areas of the Palisades like this. And those wildfires continue this morning in and around the Los Angeles area. Barry and Audrey, officials there on the ground, say the Palisades blaze is the most destructive in county history. We're live this morning. Sarah Duran, KENS 5.
Thank you, Sarah. And having had a home burned before, there's nothing worse. You lose pictures, everything. We have no pictures of us when we were little.
Absolutely heartbreaking for California there.